Let's subtract on a number line by using the strategy of counting up. So let's go back to our fish tank store, our fish store, and we notice that they did their inventory and they have 684 fish. And they sell some fish, a bunch of fish because they had a sale, and now they have 258 fish left in the fish tanks. So if we use our number line model to help us, we remember that our smaller number is always going to be on this end and our larger number on this end. And we're going to count up. So we know that we have this many. So if we count our way up from 258 until we get to 684, then the difference between these two numbers, the space in between them, is going to give us our unknown number. So if we add 2 to 258, that takes us to our next landmark number, which is 260. And if we add 40 to that number, we know we land on 300. From 300 all the way up to 600 is a leap of 300. And so those are nice, easy landmark numbers. And then 84 lands us on 684. Now, when we're counting our way up, we want to make sure we're being efficient in how we do it. And any more than 4 leaps, we probably need a different strategy for solving the problem or a different model to use. But in this case, we have our 684, which is accounted for on our number line here, and our 258, which is here. So our missing number then is a combination, a total of all of our leaps in between. That's going to be our missing number. So we're going to add together 300 plus 40 plus 84 plus 2. Now, I know that 80 and 40 equal 120. So together, that's 124 plus 2 more makes 126. Plus my 300, my 126, I can add to the 300, and I'm going to have 426 in the end. So I have to make sure that my problem makes sense. Does it make sense that I had 684 fish to start with, 426 were sold, and 258 were left? That sounds like a logical, reasonable answer. I can check my thinking by starting at my 684, and I could lead backwards to 600, taking away 84, lead backwards 300, I would land on 300, lead backwards 40, I'd land on 260, and leap back 2, I'd land on 258. So an open number line is a great way to show, it's a model, so it shows we can move in either direction on our number line.